Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Astro Images channel. I am Chad. This is a video in our PIXINSIGHT must know beginner easy tips. Let's get to it. Playlist to all of these is going to be in the bottom and you're just going to watch through them all of them if you want to. Most of them will be nice and short and to the point and show you how to get everything easy. So what we have here in front of us are two images. Two different ones. We have image number 12 and we have image number 4. Now what I want you to do is just kind of look and see. We've got this one here that's zoomed out. We've got this one here that's zoomed in. Now we know that we got these little buttons down here that we can press to do things. For example, if we want to go into a one-to-one view, we can press this button right here and that will take us to a one-to-one. How do we know that we're in one-to-one? If we look right here next to gray, it says one-to-one. If we want to zoom in or zoom out, let's say we want to zoom into 800%. There's 800%. There's zooming out all the way to negative 400%. This image over here, we can see that it's zoomed in a little bit. And we can actually just click this other button and we can make it fit the size. And then we can do the same thing over here. Now, what if you wanted to like compare these two images, like overlay them and look at each other and everything like that? And let's say that we had a zoom of this right here. Well, if you want to overlay and look at the zoom, just go ahead and grab your image over here and hold it. And you're going to see a little box pop up right next to your cursor. Now you can just drop it and it's going to match those two together. So now that we have these overlaid, we can hit Control and hold that down and hit page down. And as long as we are over the image here, you can see that we can go back and forth between the two images. And if we want to go ahead and make them the same size, let's just go ahead and grab this one here again, and it's going to make it the same size as that one. We'll overlay them again, and now we can do the exact same thing, and you can see that we can page back and forth, super easy to compare images. Now, the other cool thing about this is, let's say that you see how we've got to move around the image here, we can use our sliders here on the top and bottom. One thing you can do is just hold in the space bar and you can move around as much as you want to, which is really super and awesome. Learning how to do all of these little things in PIXINSIGHT will make your life a lot easier, and that is the entire goal of this series, is to just give you little tidbits of information that will make this whole experience way easier for you and way less, and to just demystify and take the fear away from using this advanced software. So thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.